Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you guys would like to see how I create this look, please keep on watching. So I started off by toning my face with this face pad. I wanted to remove any excess oil or any dirt from my face before I start my makeup. It's always good to start with a clean base. This is how it look. Ew, I know. So I took my Got To Be glue gel. I usually love framing my eyebrows with this because it dries down pretty quick and it keeps my eyebrow hairs in place and it's not sticky. I noticed with brow gels they were kind of sticky and I didn't have time for that and they took a little bit too long to dry. So if you guys haven't tried it, I recommend. So here I am just drying it down and then framing it with my pencil. And then I took my Benefit Brow Pencil in a shade 4. I just started using this pencil. I should just got it. And I love it. I actually really love it. I like the fact that I don't have to dry my eyebrows so hard. And my eyebrows were on fleek, y'all. I don't know what it was, but my eyebrows, they definitely ate in this video. I'm sorry. So now I'm taking my e.l.f. Deep Rich Concealer as my base for my eyeshadow. I am doing a smoky brown, so I like to apply a base first so the brown can pop out a little bit more on my eyes. And then I took this dark brown from this Morphe palette and applied it. You guys can use any eyeshadow as long as it is brown and dark brown. It really don't matter. But I prefer Morphe and Juvia's Place and ColourPop for my eyeshadows. Crazy, I get you right in my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave, you know, I wouldn't wanna bleed in my heart, my mind, and my body. Now I'm taking my Vitamin C Beauty Facial Serum. I usually love this serum on my face. It keeps my face very hydrated and very moisturized. And I also take my e.l.f. Holy Hydration Face Cream. These two together is bomb. My face is not so dry. I use a lot of powder again for my face. So this is very, very important. And I love concealer. So me moisturizing, it really helps balance the concealer and powders. I took my Wet n Wild mattifying primer today, just one primer because I wasn't going anywhere, but I still wanted my makeup to kind of, you know, be mattified. I love a matte look, y'all. So I wasn't going anywhere, y'all. That's why I took my L'Oreal True Match N8 and W9.5 as my foundation. This foundation is buildable. It is very lightweight. And I love a lightweight foundation when I'm not going nowhere or when I'm not going nowhere serious. I'm going like to maybe when I was going to school, I used to love wearing it. So this is very good. And I love the fact I can build it up, as in where I use my Huda Beauty. I can't really build it up because it's already full coverage and it's very thick. So this foundation, if you guys haven't tried it, it's a drugstore. I really recommend it. There was so much going on in this video, y'all. I was watching baddies and also my voice sound a little bit raspy. I'm so sorry. I kind of just woke up and I'm still in bed and I decided to do this voiceover, so please don't mind me. So now I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer, y'all. Again, I took this concealer because I'm not going anywhere. And this concealer never did me no wrong. I just started using it again. And it's, I don't know, it was giving the coverage I need. But I did apply the Wet n Wild 150 on top of it. And the shade of the LA Girl Pro Concealer was fine. So as you guys can see, I start blending out the outer before I do the inner. For the outer, I did take this Real Technique setting brush, and then for the inner, I did take my powder puff. I noticed when I do that, it gives more of a flawless look, and it makes the under eyes a little bit more seamless, as in if I had to take the brush. I used to use the brush, you know, in general, but I noticed the brush kind of left like stippling lines if I didn't let my concealer dry as long. So try this and let me know how it goes for y'all. So now I'm taking my Makeup Revolution Banana Set Baking Powder, and I'm first setting under my eyes and then baking with the same powder. Before I bronze, I apply my face powder all over my face just to kind of set everything in place so no foundation or creams will move around. For bronze, I took my Juvia's Place dark bronze palette and I took the first shade to bronze up my face. I never use the second one because it is a little bit too orange, and the first one is perfect for me. Now I'm taking this NYX blush and Beloved something. It has something else after it. But I love me a good pink blush, and I love to mix it with a brown and yellow. Just kind of bronze those two together, blush those two together. Like, I don't know, it gives a really, really pretty look. I only said bronze because this is a bronzer from Juvia's Place. It's a palette, but I use it as a blush and bronzer at the same time. But, you know, it just gives really pretty look. Look at it. Like, it's just very pretty together. On to my favorite lip combo, y'all. I take my Wet n Wild Simmer Brown pencil and line my lips. As you can see, I am lining my lips with just this pencil. And then I take my NYX Espresso pencil and I kind of like to shade it in, like fade it in together, just so the dark brown and the lighter brown can mix well together once it comes to doing the lips. So for my lips, I took the NYX Cairo first. I notice I take a lipstick, a matte lip shade, and I apply it on my lips. It gives more of a last longing look. And then I take my gloss, which was the Anastasia Cantaloupe, and I apply that on top, and then I start blending everything in together. My two pumping gloss, one from e.l.f. and one from Makeup Revolution. The one from e.l.f. is Peach Bellini, and the one from Makeup Revolution is Clear. Yeah. Now to set everything, I'm taking my face powder and pressing that baking powder on my skin and spraying my face with the Milani Make It Last spray and my shimmer spray from LA Girl. Since I don't highlight, I like to use this shimmery spray as like a all face glitter. It gives a pretty look, especially taking the flash video. But I am all finished, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what else you guys want to see, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours.